Connect Bitget wallet to Tomarket. How to connect Bitget wallet to Tomarket is easy and simple. Now first of all, open the Tomarket bot on Telegram. Now after you open the bot, now tap on assets, and after a while, just as you can see, we have to claim an opt by connecting the Bitget wallet. Now just tap on connect and wait a few seconds. Now as you can see, tap on start. And now as you can see, they will redirect us to Bitget wallet late. And now for a few seconds. And as you can see, you need to create a wallet and claim Toma easily. So after you create a wallet on the Bitget wallet list, you will be able to connect the Bitget wallet to Tomarket. Now enter or set up the PIN. I will just tap and just confirm it. And now the creation wallet process is begin. Just wait to complete this process. And now after the creation of the Bitget wallet lid complete, as you can see here, they give you this 50 token. Just tap on view rewards. And as you can see, you have this balance on your Bitget wallet lid. Now go back. And now as you can see, this is our Bitget wallet lid. And we want to make sure that we add this Bitget wallet lid on our Tomarket bot. Now just tap on home. Now go back and tap on assets. And after that, tap on connect. And wait for a few seconds. As you can see, they will redirect you to Bitget wallet lid. Now just wait. And as you can see, tap on authorize. And now tap on confirm. Now enter your PIN. And as you can see, we have successfully connected our Bitget wallet to Tomarket. So this is how to connect your Bitget wallet to Tomarket. Thanks for watching, and if this was helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.